And Autonomous kicks off here in qualification match number 61. Looking at the Blue Alliance, Miss Daisy deploys a gear onto the Blue Alliance airship brought up by pilots. Another gear comes up from Radar Robotics while Miss Daisy turns around, begins shooting some fuel into the high efficiency goal on that boiler. At the end of Autonomous, we are very tight. 77 points for the Red Alliance, 79 for the Blue Alliance. That difference thanks to 4 kilopascals of fuel deployed into that high efficiency goal by Miss Daisy. Blue Alliance gets the early advantage here. Second rotor turning very shortly after Autonomous. 2 gears did come up during auto. That made that a lot easier using the reserve gear. Looking at Resurgence Robotics on the Red Alliance, they've dropped off a gear to their pilot. Very quickly brought up 3 gears laying around inside that Red Alliance airship. That means they will have their 3rd rotor in just a moment. They're going to need to place 4 to make it happen. It looks like 1 gear might be a little bit stuck on one of those pegs. Pilot's trying to figure it on out. Red Robot's still dropping off more and more gears. Tons of gears happening all over that Red Alliance airship. Still a very tight match. Blue Alliance just scored a few more points. We're at 144 for the Blue Alliance and 117 for the Red Alliance with just under a minute and a half remaining in this match. Miss Daisy deploys another gear. Blue Alliance still at 2 rotors turning, bringing some gears and placing them on the 4th rotor train. Titanium Tigers of the Red Alliance retrieving some gears from their human players on the blue corner of the field. They zoom back downfield. Look for that Red Alliance airship peg. Red Alliance has 3 rotors turning. That's giving them a very close score. 157 to 169 in favor of the Blue Alliance right now. Blue gets their 3rd rotor turning, bringing them to 209. 45 seconds remain in the match. It looks like the Blue Alliance will need 2 more gears to make their 4th rotor happen. The pilots signal to the drive teams, letting them know they need 1. It looks like Miss Daisy might be the one to deliver. Miss Daisy lines up on the center peg. Dragons also have dropped off a gear with 30 seconds remaining. Fuel deployed onto the field by several robots. Gears coming on down. Red Alliance has 4 rotors turning. Blue Alliance almost to their 4th. Fuel comes up out of Dragons. 20 seconds remain. Very, very tight score. About 20 points separate these teams. Robots are off the ground. The first one up is Radar Robotics, followed by Titanium Tigers. We see 2 red robots up in the air. 2 blue robots. We're down to 3, 2, 1. And that will be qualification match number 61. It was a tight match all the way through, but we saw lots of scoring right there at the end, and your winner was your Blue Alliance. Blue Alliance scores 402 points. Red Alliance with 297.